Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the motherboard. Disconnect the DC-in cable from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the DC-in cable from the routing channel on the motherboard. Carefully release the DC-in module from the retention tabs on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the DC-in module.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.